Remember me means it's not his physical form, but he is talking about the whole oneness consciousness, God in everyone. So with the conclusion which I say is, friends, two things I will say. At the time of the death, if you're happy, blissful, if you're happy, going to the higher worlds. If you're sad, if you're going to lower worlds, lower planes. But if you're blissful, ultimate blissful, that means connecting to the God frequency, then the liberation, the freedom happens. Okay. So in order to get that freedom at the time of death, now every time, can you be sincere about your death, and every time let us feel that connectivity with the God. Let us see the God in everyone and every way. Feel the way connection, approximate. Yes, I got connected to the God. How many of you can say right now? Yes, I got connected to the God now. Okay, God frequency. Can you say that? Connected to the God frequency now? At least now in this second, the moment you remember the God everywhere. Yeah, I'm connected. You're connected, right? Type C. So in the same way, can we maintain the connection longer and longer times? Okay, because we are meditators, we can do that. Possibility is there in meditation, deep meditation. When the thoughts are not, then what is left is God only, God frequency only. And also that feeling we can continue. Okay, that's we need to. The antidote for death is that one. Connecting to the oneness frequency, God frequency. Okay. So friends, and one more thing is, I felt Buddha. Do you know when, what age Buddha died? Do you know what age Osho died? Type it if you know. So then, hey, they are so much enlightened beings. They're teaching amazingly so many people. They are spiritual wisdom sharing amazing, right? Then I thought, why they haven't, why they didn't live for 100 years? Then Osho, somebody said 78. Probably I thought 59. Probably I was thinking. Yeah, 59. That's right. So why, if they live for 100 years, it would be much more better, right? That's what I thought. That's the reason, friends. Shall we all agree that because we took it takes a lot of efforts to come to the earth plane. Once we come here, let us live for 100 years and do as much as possible. We are into spirituality. Let us evolve to meditation and teach meditation. Until 100 years, will be here. Let us utilize this work in a better way, friends. Okay. Thank you, friends, and yeah, thank you very much. And I'm really happy to see that many people dropped after this exact time, right? I was just checking. Oh, I'm 3 minutes more. I took 2 to 3 minutes extra, and already many people left. Good timing. Okay, thank you all, friends, and wish you all the best. So hope this wisdom, my personal experiences, my views, connected to you. So everybody, shall we all? Because I was also in between. What is this? I know how to go from one world to other world very easily. So Earth, what is it more? Shall I also go from this world, from Earth? That's what I also thought. But many of my friends said, "Hey, Prabodh, stay here. Come on, what's hurry?" So I'm also sharing to you that 100 years let us live. Okay, everybody type 100 years, and of course with amazing seva. Not only the 100 years, not like normal, the best 100 years. Okay, everybody type best 100, and thank you all, friends. Wish you all the best. Very much. 30 seconds meditation, and we'll end the session. Bye. Blissful next 100 years. Ultimate bliss. 3, 2, healthy, blissful 100 years. 1, the oneness consciousness. 0. Very good, friends. Wish you all the best. Thank you.